The blue really pops under the sun, under the reflection of the sun. All right, so here we're J&B Bodyworks, and J&B Bodyworks has taken over the entire block. We have this beautiful 993 Targa that is owned by my friend Wilson. Beautiful car with the Liberty plate, which I hopefully inspired him to get. Beautiful car in arena red. It is the same color as the Kills Bugs Fast ad from back in the day. Beautiful car. And around us, we just have a plethora of air-cooled cars on this side, some water-cooled all around us. Beautiful cars, beautiful shades of blue, gray, yellow, red, blue. Just an amazing array of cars all the way around us. Great gathering of great people, a lot of Porsche owners. And it's an opportunity for us to just get together, catch up on places where we're going to go for drives, because I think that's what it's about. It's not about seeing the cars in static display. It's about just getting out and driving the cars and discovering and finding new ways in which we are going to capitalize on the experience of the fall to make sure that we have the best driving roads, or access to the best driving roads, here in the New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut tri-state area. This Gentian Blue is the modern version of my car. I fell in love with this car the first time I saw it. I saw it pull in and I was enamored at the spec. This has a tan interior, and this is a metallic version of my car, but this is absolute perfection. Here we have this beautiful convertible. The top-down experience is always welcome when you have a Porsche, because sometimes you get a much closer experience to hearing the engine sound come out from the rear engine come from the rear of the car. And of course, how can you not love a blue interior? This car has a gorgeous blue interior, and I think the simplicity and perfection of these cars are what make them perfect. And as we're walking around, you see a lot of cool vehicles. If you're a fan of the Bad Boys films, this is a beautiful car that looks, it's a turbo. 964 turbo. It's got the Speedline wheels. It's got the Speedline inscription on the wheel, which I think this is the most perfect wheel. When I saw this in the first scene of Bad Boys, I was like, wow, I need to get this car when I grow up. I don't quite have this car, but I have one that's close. Such a cool car that I think inspired an entire generation. So for all your needs, if you want the best, come to J&B Bodyworks.
Sorry, you taking a video?
Oh yeah, no worries, no worries.
Oh snap.
No, you're good. This 356 that is restored to perfection here at J&B Bodyworks. This is a Concours level restoration. Just a great lineup of cars here at J&B Bodyworks. I think this is the perfect sizing for a 911. One of the most beautiful cars that Porsche makes currently right now in their lineup is this Cartagena yellow car. This is one of the new car colors that is offered by Porsche, and it shines perfectly. Doesn't look like it's yellow, but it is called Cartagena yellow, and it reflects more like a green under this detailing lights. And currently where I am at J&B Bodyworks, this is the detailing bay. After the cars get painted across the street, they come into the detailing bay and shine the car to perfection. So seeing this Cartagena yellow in the flesh, up close, you know that this is a special car with a special color, and the owner is going to be very happy. There's nothing that this car does not have. This is one of the most beautiful cars that Porsche offers today. Having the extra level of power with the carbon fiber roof, you have this massive wing on the back that adds a substantial amount of downforce, and it's active aero, so when you're hitting the brakes, there's going to be like a push rod mechanism that's going to flap this wing upwards. Just beautiful details all the way around. This is one of the coolest cars that Porsche also offers in their catalog of toys. This is a Porsche Carrera GT in Guards Red. One of the most beautiful cars that's ever been created. the pinnacle of water-cooled Porsches. This has to be not my car. I wish it was. It's beautiful, isn't it? Great car. I don't even know what to say. This is a beautiful car. This is one of the dream cars. I've known a few people who have this car. It is an absolute monster. It has a V10 in the back, a manual transmission with the wood 917 inspired shift lever that when I did my shift lever, I also did a wood handle because it inspired me to follow the lineage of the 917. Carrera GT from the factory did that, so having that wood shift knob is definitely inspiration behind my car. Just the architecture of this car, knowing that it is also a Targa, it is a carbon fiber tub, it is a V10, it is a mid-engine sports car. The curvature, the lines, everything about this car is 100% perfection. One of the most beautiful cars that unfortunately killed Paul Walker and Roger Rodas. So this car has a level of infamy to it, the way the 550 Spider has with James Dean and his death. But all these things made this car one of the most important cars in Porsche history. It is wide, it is long, it is not compact like, say, my Porsche 911, but it is a car that, because it handles so much power, it is the perfect proportions for what it is. Carrera GT, one of the most beautiful cars that you'll ever see in your life, and I'm speechless.